All right, this one is called Zooniverse, and it is all about becoming a citizen scientist, meaning that anybody can join in any projects to help with research that's done all over the world. So I really like this one. It gets my students involved in real world research. They can see it in real time. They get to pick from tons of different projects that they find interesting as opposed to just having to do it because it's there. So I really like this one. It's 3.1b for educational leaders. It ensures all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And 1.3d for students. They build knowledge by actively exploring real-world issues and problems, developing ideas and theories, and pursuing answers and solutions. So what we're going to do here is click on projects, and then you can choose from any of these projects here. I mean, you can see there's 95 projects found right here. You get to pick through so many of them. So we're just going to go up to the top and go to Penguin Watch. So we're going to count penguins, chicks, and eggs in faraway lands to help us understand their lives and environment. So get started. Let's do our time-lapse camera. So right here you can see it shows you adults, chicks, eggs, and other. So we're going to click on how many adults we see in here. See, and those are all chicks, so I don't want to click on them. I want to click chicks over here on the side and then come back and click my chicks. And then you will click next. Have you marked all the animals? Yes, I did. Then you can click done and talk, so that means you can talk to other people about it, or you can just click done and keep going on to the next one. So here. So on this one, if you have a problem seeing it, you can always click this image is too dark or too blurry. And it explains at the beginning, so all of these that are far in the back, I'm not going to be able to click on all those. I just want to click on these ones that are close up here. And there is a lot of them. So am I going to be able to get them all? No, probably not in this picture. This might be one that I would click it's too dark or too blurry. Or as we go through and you click next and say there were too many to count. So any of those is an option, and then you can see it gives you one here where you can easily click on them. So again, I really like this. This allows students to pick from multiple projects. It gets them involved in real world problems, and they are actually being the scientists to help solve it. So to me, this is great. As a science lover, I can't find something more fascinating than this to get my students involved in, and they get their choice of what they want to pick to do.